Hello everyone and welcome to our weather update on January 1st, 2024. Happy New Year everyone. So looking at our satellite we can see that this area of cloud brought today's wet weather through. This area here will bring some rain tomorrow to the south, and then this general area of low pressure here will dominate through the week. So today's rainfall was quite heavy at times with a strong wind from southeast. Tonight we'll see it clearing for a time before we see some more rain moving to the south. I think that this will be heavier and more widespread than this shows it to be. And tomorrow we see this rain clearing the east coast at around midday, followed by showers from the west, heaviest and most frequent in the west and south. And tomorrow night we see some showers around the country, again heaviest and frequent in the west with a chance of thunder and hail. Into Wednesday, again, showers pushing in from the west, westerly winds, shower day on Wednesday. Into Thursday, we see more showers coming in from the west, although possibly they won't be as heavy on Thursday or as widespread, and they're mainly confined to those western and northern areas really on Thursday. And then finally, we go through towards Friday, and winds going northerly on Friday, so showers or possibly areas of rain affecting the northeast. Otherwise, it's mainly dry but cooler. And into the weekend, it goes drier and colder. The temperature forecast from the UKV is going like this. So here we go. So today, milder air is coming up from the south as a result of a warm front. So tonight we'll see temperatures at around the high single figures. Tomorrow, temperatures around the high single figures again. So not really anything too severe coming up over the next few days. Mainly around the mid single figures at night time. Actually, possibly a frost for a time on Thursday morning in the far southeast. And then into the end of the week, it goes cooler. So by Friday, highest temperatures are about 5 to 8 degrees. And then a more widespread frost on Friday night in Saturday. And Saturday, highest temperatures of 5 to 7 degrees. So the annual index observed forecast is like this. So currently again at neutral, and we're dropping to quite strongly negative levels by about Friday and the weekends, peaking here, and then slowly rising somewhat into next week, possibly showing more low pressure towards Iceland. Here's our GFS 12 run. So again, this week is very wet and windy. Deep low tomorrow for the south will bring a lot of rain with it. And showery for the rest of the week. It's the weekend. Locally it's eastwards, high to the west. A brief northerly wind on Saturday and Sunday before the high goes right over us next week. This brings a lot of frosty weather. Probably some decent sunshine by day though. So cold and frosty weather there. The high is very, very southern actually. As it pulls out to the west, I think we'll track some clouds into the ridge for a time as well. That ridge stays around us pretty much until the very end of the run, where it goes towards Greenland, Iceland, and pulls out a very cold northerly winds. The ECMWF run is looking like this. There we go. Right, so here we go again. Then very, very wet tomorrow, possibly for the south. Then showery Wednesday and Thursday. Showers getting lighter and less frequent through the week. And by Saturday, we're seeing heights rising to our west and north. By Sunday and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday next week, we're pulling in a cold easterly wind. And then by Thursday, the high is coming over us. Upper temperatures show that cold air comes eastwards quite nicely on that easterly wind. The UK Met run is like this. And there we go. So again, today and tomorrow, seeing that low to the south possibly bring some rain, and then low to the north bring showers with it through the week. Friday and the weekend, a heights ridge towards us. UK Met Run has it right over us, so we get cold and frosty weather. Instead of easterly winds. GEM Run is next. Okay. Go. With that. Okay, GEM, same old story. Very showery and unsettled through the week, with copious showers around, especially in the west and north. For the weekend, high pressure goes towards us and tries to get towards Scandinavia, but fails. So in the end, we are just suddenly cold and frosty with this, with hard overnight frosts and decent summer day. But at the very end of the run, we see the high going westwards, and we pull in more of a cold northerly flow. Here is the icon run. Icon. It's like this. There we go. So again, westerly winds through the week, bring this shower weather with it. Weekend, the heights rise to our west and north, and the icon also pulls in an easterly wind next week. Upper temperatures get the cold air in quite nicely as well. So, and finally, let's look at the arpege, and we're done. We're done off the arpege. Hover, and this, and then again, big westerly winds this week, bringing a lot of rain showers with them. Not just Saturday. I think that the arpege will keep the ridge over us because there isn't much high pressure to our north, and that low does look quite strong. So that's watching everyone. So the ECM and icon both go cold. The rest go standardly cold and frosty. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.